And Maharashtra makes history today. Sunetra Pawar takes oath as the Deputy Chief Minister, the first woman to hold the post. So who is Sunetra Pawar? Today, she is the woman carrying forward one of Maharashtra's most powerful political legacies. Yes, Mom.
मी सुनेत्रा अजित पवार गांभीर्यपूर्वक प्रतिज्ञा करते की
The baton of power has passed on.
अशा भारताच्या संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा
Sunetra Pawar, widow of the late Ajit Pawar, has taken oath as Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister, making history as the first woman to hold the post. A political legacy reborn, a family name that defines the state, and a new chapter that has now begun. Her elevation comes just days after the sudden and tragic death of NCP Chief and Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar in a plane crash. Amid emotional scenes and intense political churn, party leaders rallied behind one name, Sunetra Pawar. Senior NCP leaders including Praful Patel, Sunil Tatkare and Chhagan Bhujbal met Sunetra Pawar and urged her to step forward to lead Ajit Pawar's faction of the NCP as part of the Mahayuti coalition. Close aides Narhari Zirwal and Pramod Hindura openly demanded that she be made Deputy Chief Minister. Born on the 18th of October 1963, Sunetra Pawar is the daughter of former Minister and Lok Sabha MP Padam Singh Patil. She is currently a Rajya Sabha MP from Maharashtra, but that is expected to change shortly. She built a public profile through social work and environmental advocacy. Sunetra Pawar entered active politics in 2024 when she contested the Baramati Lok Sabha seat but lost to her sister-in-law Supriya Sule.
पहली बार आप इस तरह की लड़ाई में लड़ रही हैं जहां दूसरी तरफ सुप्रिया ताई है। वहिनी और ताई के इस लड़ाई में आसान तो नहीं होगा।
जी आसान तो नहीं है, लेकिन आई हूँ, अभी लड़ रही हूँ। लेकिन ये तो लोगों ने हाथ में ली हुई लड़ाई है।
क्या मतलब, इसका मतलब क्या है?
क्योंकि मेरी उम्मीदवारी लोगों की मांग थी। ये राजनीतिक विचारों की लड़ाई है, रिश्ता अलग है, राजनीति अलग है।
From the daughter-in-law of Maharashtra's biggest parties to now the state's Deputy Chief Minister, it's been a journey which Sunetra Pawar had never foreseen. But now her biggest test begins. Can she retain control over her party, her parivar, and a position of power? Watch this space. Bureau Report, India Today.